Austin summers are known for intense heat, bright sunshine, and long stretches of high temperatures. If your home has large picture windows, you already know how beautiful they can be, flooding rooms with natural light and showcasing outdoor views. However, without proper weatherproofing, those same expansive glass panels can allow unwanted heat inside, driving up cooling costs and reducing comfort. The good news is that modern weatherproofing solutions can help your picture windows perform efficiently, even during Austin's hottest months. Start with energy-efficient glass. The foundation of weatherproofing begins with the glass itself. If your picture windows are older single-pane units, they likely allow significant heat transfer. Upgrading to double or triple-pane glass creates insulating layers between the panes. These layers reduce the amount of outdoor heat that enters your home. Many modern windows also include argon gas between panes, which slows thermal transfer even further. For Austin homeowners, this added insulation can significantly improve indoor temperature control during peak summer heat. Low-E coatings reflect solar heat. Low emissivity. Low-E coatings are one of the most effective tools for weatherproofing picture windows in hot climates. These nearly invisible coatings reflect infrared heat while allowing visible light to pass through. This means your home stays bright and open without absorbing excessive solar heat. In sun-facing rooms, low-E glass can dramatically reduce heat buildup and help your air conditioning system operate more efficiently. In Austin's climate, this feature is especially valuable for large picture windows that receive direct afternoon sun. Check and upgrade window seals. Even the best glass won't perform properly if the window isn't sealed correctly. Over time, caulking and weather stripping can deteriorate, creating small gaps around the frame. These gaps allow hot air to seep in and cooled air to escape. Inspecting and replacing worn seals is a simple but essential step in weatherproofing. Professional installers can ensure your picture windows are properly insulated around the frame, preventing hidden air leaks that compromise efficiency. Consider solar control window film. If replacing your windows isn't an option, solar control film can be applied to existing picture windows. This film helps block a portion of solar heat and UV rays while maintaining visibility. For Austin homeowners looking for a cost-effective way to reduce heat gain, window film can provide noticeable improvements in comfort. Add exterior shading solutions. Exterior shading can significantly reduce the amount of direct sunlight hitting your picture windows. Options such as awnings, pergolas, or strategically planted trees provide natural shade and help limit solar heat gain. In Austin, where afternoon sun can be intense, shading west-facing picture windows is particularly beneficial. Use interior treatments for added insulation. While exterior measures are most effective, interior treatments also play a role in weatherproofing. Thermal curtains, cellular shades, and solar blinds can reduce heat transfer and glare. Closing these treatments during the hottest parts of the day helps maintain cooler indoor temperatures. Ensure professional installation. Picture windows are fixed and do not open, which means they can offer exceptional airtight performance, but only when installed properly. Poor installation can lead to gaps that undermine energy efficiency. Professional installation ensures the window is level, securely fastened, and fully sealed. This maximizes both comfort and long-term durability. Enjoy comfort without sacrificing views. Picture windows are designed to highlight Austin's beautiful landscapes and bring natural light into your home. With proper weatherproofing, including energy-efficient glass, low-E coatings, secure seals, and shading solutions, you can enjoy those benefits without overheating your space. By investing in weatherproofing upgrades, Austin homeowners can maintain cooler interiors, reduce energy costs, and protect their homes from the strain of long, hot summers, all while preserving the stunning views that make picture windows so appealing.